Hi, my name's Darryl Wawatai and I am the production engineer for Helios Power Solutions. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Efore 19-inch DC power solution. These systems are found in mining, oil and gas, power distribution, rail, hospitals and telecommunications. The systems are comprised of three main components: the GUI or GUI, the controller itself, and any number of rectifiers.
A GUI, as you can see on the front here, and battery breakers, mains input switch, and individual rectifier MCBs. The single controller used within these systems is capable of several forms of communication: LAN, Modbus TCP, RS-232, and IEC 61850 specifically for substations. As you can see, the rectifiers are convection cooled and are easily removed while the system is in operation. The rectifiers consist of switch mode power supplies that are capable of withstanding 300 volts AC.
Helios offers these chargers as a turnkey solution with both cabinets, accessories and batteries, including lead acid and nickel cadmium.
These are two of the 6 cabinets we have been producing for the Power Grid Company of Bangladesh. The customer specifically required an N+1 option within one cabinet. To this end, we were able to install dual redundant diodes, and they also required that there be no boost charging applied to the equipment when boost charging was applied to the batteries. In this way, the Efore system was perfect. Access to cabinets is often quite difficult within the switchboard area. Here at Helios, we can tailor your requirements. If you need terminals on the rear, we can supply rear terminals, as in this case. We can apply them to the sides, tops, anywhere you would prefer. In this case, we've fitted external alarm inputs, external alarm outputs. The battery terminals are here and the DC distribution is supplied here. Here you'll find the AC input.
We have teams available in Asia, Australia and New Zealand, so please, if you have any DC requirements, give us a call.